Hey everybody, welcome back to TechOdyssey. So today I'm here with a really fun video for the Pixel 6 Pro, and this also equally applies to the Pixel 6. It's about Magic Eraser. Now, if you saw the keynote event and the announcement, you've probably seen this in other people's reviews already. You can go into your pictures and make things disappear. Whether that's your ex, whether that's someone you used to hang out with in high school you don't like anymore, whether it's somebody making a silly face, you can go in and you can get rid of that, and magically, with whatever Google does, it fixes the picture and it looks like they were never there. Mostly. There are some instances where you can't pull it off, but I'm going to go in and show you exactly how you can use Magic Eraser and show you how to use it on your phone. So, before we get into looking at that, I do want to say if this is your first time stopping by the channel, thank you for being here. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like and the subscribe button and the little notification bell if you want updates when new videos come out. Now let's go see what we can erase. Alright, so to get started using Magic Eraser, what you have to do is go into your photos. Now, you have to have a photo first, so if you don't have a photo to erase things from, clearly you can't erase it. So take a photo first, or go find an old one, go into Photos, and then find one. You can see here I've taken a lot of pictures. This is just a short sample. I've taken a lot of pictures ever since I got this phone not too long ago, but we need something to take things out of. So we'll use this one. I went to Olive Garden with my kids. Don't worry, I'm not going to erase them, but we're going to take this car and we're going to make it disappear. So to do that, you go into Edit, and then you go over here to Tools, right there, and then you click on Magic Eraser. So it'll find some suggestions and it'll make it to where you can kind of tap on them and they disappear. This one's a bad illustration. It's a night mode. There's nothing that it has suggested for me. So right here, we're going to make that card disappear. And to do this, you press and hold, and then you can see like the little eraser marker thing pops up. But ow, it is just gone. Like on Back to the Future with Marty McFly, whenever things are going bad, he's playing the guitar and his hand starts to disappear. It's gone. Now, it can do more advanced things, and we can try and make one of them disappear, but you're going to be left with other things. Like, look, the arm is still going to be there. Like, we can start erasing him. And, my son probably won't like this when he watches the video. So you can go in and erase stuff, and look, it fills in the stuff behind it, but once we get up here, you're still going to have, it kind of does it in layers. So it's not a completely fine-tuned thing. So we can go in and do this, and eventually we can get there, but then you still have the arm there. So it's like, okay, well, to make it really look right, you can get rid of that. So it's not perfect whenever you get into this stuff. It's much better for standalone objects, but you can see over here, like where the car used to be, it works fantastically. Right here, not so much good. So you're going to have limitations. So if you have a picture like this, you got an ex-girlfriend, you got an ex-wife, you got some kid from high school that you aren't friends with anymore, whatever, you're going to have trouble in these instances. But if you have isolated stuff, you have just some random person in the background, and it doesn't have to be a person, as we demonstrated here with the car. And if you don't like what you did, you just hit reset, and it makes everything go back. So let me go see if I can find you another picture here real quick, just for another illustration. Okay, maybe we get rid of the leaf. Let's try and get rid of the leaf. Let's see how good Magic Eraser is, right? So we'll go to Edit again. We'll go to Tools. We'll go to Magic Eraser. Let's see if we can make this leaf magically disappear. This is going to take some skill. Like, this has got to be some really good erasing, right? Bam! Look at that. Is that not impressive or what? I'm going to bring this in for a close-up. That is just uncanny. You can't even tell. It doesn't look like it's blurred or blemished or anything. That is incredibly insane. So, anyway, that's it for the demonstration on Magic Eraser. Now you know how to do it, so you can go and erase things. All right, pretty cool stuff, huh? We made some things disappear. They're gone forever. The picture looks good. And now you're empowered and you know how to do it. It's not something that's incredibly intuitive. They make this as an editing feature where you can go in. It's really cool the way that they do it. But I wanted to take a minute to go show you because it may not have been evident. A lot of people are like, oh, you have Magic Eraser, you can erase things. How do you erase them? So now you know how to do all the erasing. So go find your photos, go erase all those people that you don't want to see and those objects and the stuff that's in there. Have a field day. Save your pictures and move on with your life. So that's all I got for this video. Hopefully this was educational and it brought value to you. And if you have any questions or comments about it, please go to the comment section. I respond to those. I'll get back with you. If you enjoyed the video, and I hope that you did, please hit the like and the subscribe button and the little notification bell. Come back, watch more videos. I'm going to make more Pixel 6 Pro content moving forward, and I want you here for it. So that's all I've got. As always, thanks for being here. I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you guys next time.